falters. Woo! A little rough because it's frozen. Well, we got some tracks. It's a little chilly out. Snowed a little bit, but not much. Built another pile for sleigh riding over here, so the kids can go down the hill this way towards the bridge we have. Built a couple years ago. Still working great. And it's not too deep to cross, which is nice. We got the water running through. A couple trees across up there. Someday I'd like to clean that all out. But yeah, things are looking good. And then of course here's a big tree that broke from way up there, fell down. I gotta make sure I'm on the road here. It's only 4 feet across. All right, now we can drive back here on top of the crusty snow. Woo! And of course this nice hemlock with our chairs behind it, or under it I should say. We'll go take a drive over by the stream over here. Get a little different perspective of the two trees that have fallen across the stream there. But yeah, and then our house back over there. And there's my trail. So yeah, this isn't too bad. Self a little back up here. I think I'm in two-wheel drive. Something about that. Now the other thing is, I leave a lot of trees in here, so I have to angle myself to get back between them. Make sure I don't, knock them over or have an outrigger rip it apart or anything like that, like my Backhoe outrigger does. Yeah, this is part of the fun. That's our other fire pit we have. And then this is the rock wall with a couple of logs on it. I've done a lot of clearing out of here. This is a burnable brush over here. I could smooth this out for sleigh riding, perhaps. So we'll do that. See, that's a little smoother. That's a little better. Maybe I'll dig some more snow and throw it on there. But yeah, this is our area here. Whew. Lots of logs I've got. Maybe someday I'll cut them up. I don't know. They're fine. This maple tree here came from Belmont. We love that one. Our firewood's in here. And the old lawn tractor. Now it's time to get back to the shed.